Hi guys, this is Siley from Technobeast. Today we are moving towards development of our software applications. In all our previous videos, we saw the basics of software application, which is very important from tester's perspective. Now we are going to see details about how a software application gets developed. That is software development life cycle, or we can say that SDLC. Now we are going to see the software development life cycle, means SDLC. So first of all, we are going to see there are two types of SDLC, in which the first one is software development life cycle, that we called it as a SDLC. Second one is software testing life cycle, that we can say that SDLC. So in this software development life cycle, there is developer are involved, and in software testing life cycle there is a testers are involved. So this in SDLC the two development life cycle or testing life cycle are included. First one is software development life cycle and second one is the software testing life cycle. So first of all, we are going to see the development life cycle. SDLC. The SDLC is a generalized model which is used for developing software applications. It aims to produce high quality system that meets customer, or we can say that client expectations, work effectively and efficiently in the current and the plant information technology infrastructure, and is inexpensive to maintain and cost effective to enhance. The generalized process is followed in our software project is SDLC. Each phase of SDLC produces deliverable required by the next phase in the life cycle. The phases which are included inside the software development life cycle is, first one is requirements. The first phase which is inside the software development life cycle is the requirement phase. After that, the second phase is design and analysis. Design and analysis, this is the second phase after the requirement. Then the third phase is implementation. Implementation is the third phase after design and analysis. After implementation, there is an testing phase. Testing phase. After testing, there is an deployment phase. After testing, there is an deployment phase. After deployment, the last and final phase is maintenance. Final phase is maintenance. So these are the phases which is included inside the software development life cycle, in which the first one is requirements. These requirements are translated into design code. With the help of this design, which is produced according to the design, testing should be done on the developed product. Here is the developed product. right? After developing the product, deployment should be done once testing is ready. Means after testing there is an deployment. Then after deployment there is an maintenance phase. So this is the software development life cycle phases, in which first one is requirement, second one is design and analysis, third one is implementation, fourth one is testing, fifth one is deployment, and sixth one is maintenance. Now the first phase is requirement phase, which is the first phase inside the software development life cycle. This requirement phase, we can say that information gathering phase. The another name is information gathering phase. This is the important phase inside the software development life cycle. In this, business analyst is the responsible person for the requirement gathering phase. Means, who is the responsible person? Business analyst, right? So he is the only one who is collect the information from the client, or we can say that customer. Means information gathering is nothing but the requirements collect from the client or customer. On the basis of this information, business analyst will prepare one document, and that document we called it as a business requirement specification. That document we called it as a business requirement specification, right? So the document name varies as per the organizations. May some call the requirement specifications document, right? So the name of this document may vary. Okay. BRS is the bridge between client as well as developer and tester. Means BRS document is the bridge between client and developer or tester. This is all about the requirement phase. Again, we are taking a short memory of this requirement phase. This is the requirement phase. We called it as a information gathering phase. Business analyst is the only person who is responsible for the information gathering. On the basis of the information gathering, BRS document will get prepared, and that document is called as requirement specification. The name will vary as per the organization. Then BRS document is the bridge between client and customer and testers. Now, okay, how BRS document is get prepared? BRS document is nothing but the overall requirement gathering. With the help of this overall requirement gathering, BRS document will get prepared. For example, suppose I want an project, means I want an banking application. right? So the customer saying I want one login page, then I want home page, after that detail asking page, then withdraw options page, and successful payment page. So this is the overall requirement which is collecting from the client. Means client giving us an overall idea, that is the client want banking application in which he want login page, home page, details page, then option page, and then successful page. So that document we called it as a BRS document, means overall requirement gathering which is inside the BRS document.